Affinity Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. Same name, completely different apps. And no, Affinity can't open your .pub files. But it might be the best place to move them. Of every alternative, Affinity comes close. Affinity Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. Same name, completely different apps. And no, Affinity can't open your .pub files. But it might be the best place to move them. Of every alternative, Affinity comes closest to Publisher. Master pages, linked text frames, real layout tools. And 3 things set it apart. 1. It's a one-time $55. No subscription. 2. Full CMYK and print-ready output. 3. It runs on Windows and Mac. But moving in is a rebuild, not an import. Convert your .pub to a high-res PDF first. Univik Pub Converter batches it, no publisher needed. Place that PDF as a dimmed reference layer. Then rebuild the layout cleanly on top. Text heavy, flow in a DOCX for the live copy. Now the honest part. Affinity feels closer to InDesign than to Publisher. You'll define styles instead of formatting by hand. You'll thread text frames across pages yourself. Give it 2 to 4 weeks to click. The power is worth the adjustment. So why Affinity over Adobe InDesign? It covers most of what Publisher users need, at a fraction of InDesign's cost. InDesign still wins for big commercial studios. But for individuals and small teams, Affinity is the value. And it's part of a suite. Photo and Designer, all one-time purchases. Switch between them without leaving your document. One thing to watch, though. Canva now owns Affinity. The one-time license is still here in 2026. Just keep an eye on it. Need real print design without a subscription? Affinity is the switch to make. Convert your files now, while Publisher still runs. Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.